OTO, we up in traffic, cruising lanes. The baby girl, I'm not gonna chase you, do your thing. A whole team full of shotters, who's to blame?
What is up, YouTube? Jared Thierhart. What is up, YouTube? Jared Thierhart here, and welcome back to another video. So today, I'm gonna be helping y'all with the math part of the ACT. You feel me? It's around that time for the ACT. You feel me? So you know how you got some math that you don't know. I'm gonna just help y'all. I'm gonna just give y'all some tips and tricks, exclusive tips and tricks. You feel me? On how to bypass the ACT, you feel me? Just let y'all know, this is for a freaking grade. If you guys get a question to where it looks like this, right? The question says, it's telling you that this artist, he wants to create tiles, and each tile is 1 centimeter, okay? How many tiles will be needed, okay? So first off, what you want to do is that you gotta multiply all these by 2. So first, alright, I ain't gonna lie. So when I recorded this, I didn't explain it right. So basically what you want to do is you want to multiply 9 times 3, which is one of the 3. You want to do 9 times 4, and then 4 times 3. And once you do that, you add them all together, and then you multiply by 2. And then that's how you get how many tiles. Really?
Hi guys.
This is a math project.
Oh, my fault, man.
Yeah, man. The next problem. This one's showing a diagram, right? And it's telling you AB. I'll write it down for y'all. They want to know the angle. This angle right here. This angle right here. A, B, and D. And automatically, the answer choices were 36, 60, 72, 96, and 150. I automatically knew that the answer was 96 because just looking at it, you feel me? Right angle is like that, the obtuse is like that, and then the acute is like that. The next problem. This question asks, which of the following numbers complete the sequence 3, 8, 14, 21, 29? It took me a little minute to get this. Going to 3 to 8 is 5. Then going from 8 to 14, I knew that was a 6 number gap. I tried to do 7 for 14 to 21. That's a 7 number gap. 21 to 29, that's an 8 number gap. So I did 29 plus 9, and that equaled 36. Alright, so this next one says, Beth got a job painting dorms rooms at her college. At top speed, she could paint 5 identical rooms during the 1 6-hour shift. How long did she take to paint each room? The first thing I did was find out how many minutes were in 6 hours. I wrote down 360 because there's 360 minutes in 6 hours, okay? She had 5 rooms to paint, so I divided that by 5. Then it equaled 72. You gotta simplify. Dab. And 72 minutes is equal to 1 hour and 12 minutes. 24 freaking minutes. 24 freaking minutes. Holy crap. This last question says, if A and B and C are positive prime numbers in the equation A minus B equals C, either B or C must represent which number? I looked at answer A and B, C and D, and then I noticed that A, B, C, and D, you could subtract that by 2. A prime number is a number that can only be multiplied in itself, and all of these have to be prime, you feel me? I was putting in the answers in my equation. B or C has to either be 5 or 2. But then I realized if you put 2, but I realized if you put a 5 for C, the only common number to all the equations was 2. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did,
Taylor about to
go
flex.
ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later.